Hi, Claudia here. I'm back with, I'm gonna create the big tag for the cover, and I'm gonna do a flip through for the whole journal. So let's do here. How you doing? How's the weather wherever you are? In California, I will say it's lovely because it's cool. I love it. So let's see. Let me mark because now I don't want to go around anymore. So let's do it. Have you created anything new? You haven't shared anything with me. But that's okay. I think that you're busy like everybody else. But if you do anything, if you make anything, just share with me. Or if you put it on Facebook, just put the link and I will go and check it. That way we share ideas. And it doesn't need to be anything that I made and you made it. It can be something totally different. I can get ideas from you. Oh, let's see. And I have even the pool ready. Okay. I'm gonna leave this one like this because they can put a picture or something. So here is the and why. Okay, good. So let's add the label. Oops. And this one says, I'll be home for Christmas. And should I put it here? Here. Let's put it here. And hope that I put it straight. It looks straight. Okay, so let's start the flip through. This is the front. We have a big pocket here. Oops. Come on. Don't be lazy now. The first page. This one is a little full. Actually, this page are bookmarks, but I like it so much that I just print the whole thing and add it as a page. In this one we have a tag. Here is part of the music. I just put some dots there. Here we have this one. It's not a pocket. This is ready to be right on. Here we have a small pocket with a tag. We have another pocket with a tag. There is a lot of journaling space here, so here we have a pocket with two tags. We have a corner with one tag. We have this one here. So if you want to journal in something, you just take it out, write, and save it. This one, I have fun. They're supposed to be postcards. So what I did was I put it like this. So you can write here and here, and whoever checked the book only will see the postcards. You can write here, you can write here. This one is the same, and you have the whole page to write. The same dots here. You can write it here, and as you can see, this is, oops, Claudia. Let me put it in. This is my cover too. And we have, this is the back of the other bookmarks. I put a little corner there with a tag. I can believe it, Claudia, you forget a tag? Okay, that's fine. And this one is the tag here. And we have another tag here. And because Claudia forgot that tag, let's get one of these. I think it's a big corner, right? Yes. Let's put this one that is not the same. So at least it's not empty. And we're gonna close it. And finally, Claudia made one little journal that is not bulky. I cannot even believe it, because usually it's already bulky when I finish. This time I was paying more attention. So here it is. I hope you like it. It says, I'll be home for Christmas. That's why it's a blue Christmas. Not everybody's there. So I wish you a great day. Have fun. Thank you for being with me, for keeping company. Okay, if you like it, you know what to do. And don't forget to share if you make anything. I would love to see whatever you're doing. Okay, thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.